God's Love channel, Cheryl. This is the pic that you are seeing is that of the nadis. Look at these lines. These are the energy lines, and these dots that you see are the energy center dots. These are minor. See, they are intersections between other lines. There are some dots, see here, these are the nadis. Basically these are the nadis which go from here to here and all that. But when it comes to counting, there are two types of counts. In some scriptures it is 16,000 nadis, and in some scriptures it is 32,000 nadis in our entire body. So right now we are seeing the energies or the nadis of the face, and here you can see the body as well. So this is just a sample of how the whole body looks. Here you can see the body is also of the same kind, it is natural. So these energy centers that you see right here are actually the nadis, and these small little dots are also the intersection or the points which we can call nadis. So basically the whole what you could say mesh, the whole mesh, the whole energy circuits, the whole set of it is called the nadis in general. And when the acupuncturist, they have to deal with the energies or with the what you could say with the person, they know where to puncture. See, now if you see little closely, these are the closed eyes of this person, these are the eyelids, and this is the nose, yeah, and this is the lips, and this is the chin, yeah. So when an acupuncturist has to work on a person, they know what nari, what this junction will work on what area. Okay, so here if for an example the person has to be um, more beautiful, more youthful is the right word, more youthful, then they will be puncturing some energies here, some energies here. It's a deep science. It does not come in a day or two, it does not come generally, and it's a very, very deep science. So they have learned it across many, many generations. They have prepared themselves, and the acupuncturist, nobody just becomes an acupuncturist. They are destined to be one. It's a God's gift of being an acupuncturist, a real acupuncturist. So basically, if you see, the energies are here around the uh, uh, this is the ajna chakra, okay, around the forehead. This is in between the eyes, and many times when people are little emotional or there is some issues, they do have pimples on these areas. So the jawline, they will have pimples in the jawline or some of that kind. The skin will be not good because naturally these these nadis are not happy, or they are not flowing the energy as they should be, or healthy flow of energy is not there. That is why they get these pimples or the energy issues. Achha, this whatever you're seeing, this is just not the skin part of it. If you see deeper, the whole circuit, the whole mesh of energies go deep throughout the whole body, skin to skin, as in from the front face skin to the scalp, finger to finger, means from every part of the physical body there are energy circuits like this. those are on the skin, those are on the organs, those are on the different parts of the body, but basically they are every single part of the body. There is no single part which does not have the nadis. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, Atma. Namaste. Thank you.